So we've got a stand of Michelias, or magnolias as we should call them now, and on this stand there are 28 or 29 different species of Michelia or different hybrids. And as we look at this array of slightly damaged blooms, but the scent is overwhelming, we immediately see a number of issues which we have no way of knowing the answer to, and we hope, Dick, that you might be able to help us out on this. So, Magnolia floribunda, forest collected, 1923. Is that really floribunda? Not sure. A Magnolia dulcopa with this wonderful reddish indumentum under its leaves. Should that actually be Michelia manipurensis, as indeed it was collected as until Mr. Dandy changed the name? When we go along, we've got actually 5 different original 1920s Michelias here. They're all dramatically different. The leaf form is different, the leaf stipules are different and different in length, and as we know, leaf stipules do not tell the whole story, because not every branch has the stipules, and they vary in length. So that's another issue and problem. We then come to Michelia McClurei as we always knew it and as it was acquired, but now, looking in the reference books, that becomes Michelia cavalierii. But suddenly then Michelia platypetala is suddenly deemed to be a form of Magnolia cavalierii. How can that be the case? They look so totally different that, I mean, I think whoever the taxonomists were, Chinese or whatever, you've got a major problem. And so Michelia dulcopa silver cloud, the greatest scent, but here is a cross, not a deliberate cross, but a natural seedling, which is a more conventional form of Michelia dulcopa crossed with silver cloud. And look at the size of the leaf. Look how perfect the flower is, no hint of yellow, no hint of green in the base, possibly well worth the name. There are many intriguing things in this stand, and I could witter on for hours. I wish you were here, Dick, to talk us through some of your views on the extraordinary complexity of some of these things. Unfortunately, not everything is flowering. The laevifolia is not out yet, Martinii is not out yet, Lancei is not out yet, but we have got, hopefully, something that has not been seen before in the UK, which is a stand purely of Michelias, although we're not allowed to call them that anymore.